Welcome back to my channel Way to Machinery guys once again. Hopefully you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. So in this video I am going to discuss regarding the schedule of a deck cadet as well as the engine cadet, means in a single day which all work to be done by a deck cadet and engine cadet and all the timings. Okay, so let's start with the deck cadet first. So as a deck cadet, see, this schedule can be varied. I will tell you how it can be varied. Okay, so first thing, in a normal day at sea, ship is underway. In that scenario, a deck cadet has to wake up 3:45 a.m. and he has to be on bridge 4 o'clock in the morning, and he has to keep the watch with chief officer 4 to 8. Okay, afterwards maybe 4 to 7:30. In that time he has to do some cleaning and all, and obviously has to keep the watch and learn some bridge equipments, and he can fill the logbooks and all for the teaching purpose. Okay, obviously in the observation by the chief officer only. Okay, afterwards you will get a time about 30 minutes to 40 minutes for a breakfast. By the time you have to finish your breakfast and you have to freshen up, and 8 o'clock you have to be on the meeting room for the deck meeting with all the deck crew and the chief officer, and afterwards chief officer will assign you the work or bosun will assign you the work which all things you have to do in the deck. But in initial stages you have to do by monitoring of others experience AB or by the bosun, mainly by the bosun you have to work under him. Okay, afterwards it can be divided, like tea breaks will be there, lunch break will be there, and you will continue your deck work till the 1500 hours or 3 p.m. in the afternoon time. Okay, afterwards you will take a break about 3 hours, then you will have your dinner on the 1800 hours or 6 p.m. Okay, afterwards you have to go to the bridge on around the 6:30 or 6:20 like that in the evening time, and you have to keep your watch like the 2000 hours or the 8 p.m. So that is the schedule, normal schedule I am telling. Now sometimes it can happen that there will be heavy traffic, you can expecting, or chief officer is expecting that in the evening once there will be heavy traffic and he might need you, then he can do, he will be on that day, he will be at deck for around the 12 o'clock in the noon time. Okay, till noon time you have to be on the deck and you will get rest for 4 hours, and in the 1600 hours in the evening time you have to report to the bridge for the watch. It can be divided like that, and vice versa. If there is some work in the deck, the workload is high, then you have to continue in deck till 1700 hours, and there might not be a bridge watch for you. And sometimes it also can happen that from morning 4 o'clock you have to work till 2000 hours, there will be 1700 hours still you have to be on deck, then you have to complete your dinner and go back to the bridge. This can be also happen, okay, with you. That depends on the situation, and even in port the schedule is different. Okay, you have to work as per the instruction and all. So what I have told regarding the regular basis at a simple day while ship at underway. Okay, so that is the schedule for a deck cadet. Now we will move to the engine cadet. So as an engine cadet, what I feel that the life is little easy if you compare to a deck cadet, because he has to wake up at I think 7 o'clock in the morning, he has to complete his breakfast, and 8 o'clock he has to go to the engine room, and there is no some there is a variation, okay, in the deck cadet's life. Like it can be 12 o'clock deck work till 12 o'clock, then maybe 4 o'clock, like that, what I have told earlier also. So in engine cadet there is nothing like that. You have to do 8 o'clock to evening 5 o'clock in the engine work under the second engineer, and obviously oiler will help you and all. So better to say you will help the oiler. Okay, so whatever it is. So afterwards you will have your dinner and all, but in the night time 9 o'clock you have to go for the rounds with the second engineer, third engineer or the fourth engineer. Second engineer not used to go for the rounds, mainly the third engineer and the fourth engineer. Okay, and you have to go regular basis on the rounds from 9 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 1 hour 5 rounds. Okay, in the engine room. Afterwards engine room will go to the UMS and you can take your rest, and then again the morning time. This is the regular scenario I am talking about. But in such cases like maneuvering time and all, in the night time also you have to be called, and in the observation of the chief engineer or the second engineer, you have to do your work. Okay, so that is the main schedule of a deck cadet and engine cadet. Obviously life is a little tough as a cadet, but that is a learning process. This is the learning procedure, and this time you have to realize that you have to learn a lot in this period of time, and try to learn a lot, and don't work like that I have to do, that is why I'm doing. No, work with the love. Okay, because if you cannot love your work, you will not get any feedback or nothing you will get. Okay, because you know, in case of when you are doing dry dock and all, you have to do lot of works, but if you are with a good chief officer, you will get the shore lifts in the evening, no doubt. So that is the thing, you have to think about that, and you have to think like that, because if you are doing work, no, chief officer will also take care of you, that is for sure. So that is the thing I wanted to tell you. If you have liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for the day.